What's up, guys? Are you looking for safety shoes, building tools, cutting tools, car mounts, car perfumes, and any other tool you would imagine for your DIY projects? Just visit China Square. They have about 8 aisles dedicated to just tools and anything you will need in a workshop. Basically, you'll find it here. These are some of the tools you'll expect to find there. This Bosch, I believe it's a good brand, but I don't know about the quality of this. So if you're an expert, you can go and check if they're the originals or if they can serve what you need. You'll also find glue guns for those into DIY projects. There's lots of them and the prices are very affordable. Basically, there's lots and lots of tools to choose from. So if maybe you've been looking for something and you've not found it elsewhere, maybe you should check China Square, the tools aisles. Also have toolboxes, so you can get this for someone as a gift or get it for yourself. For safety shoes, they have 3 types of safety shoes. This one right here and other 2. The material for these ones feel quite nice. They feel quite strong. But if you do use safety shoes, maybe you'll be in a better position to make a better judgment than me. But to me, they felt like they will do the job they are meant to do. Interestingly, these aisles are always almost empty. Guys, do you know there's lots of things for you at China Square? You can also go and, do some shopping, check out some things you may need. You never know what you may find. If you're building and looking for fans, they also have some fans here. They have different types. Lots for you to choose from. The same floor, this is the ground floor when you enter, but a different section from the tools. There's a whole other section dedicated for cars, bicycles, and other motor parts you may need. There are like these pumps here. You can come compare the prices of what you need, maybe compare the quality and get what fits your needs. Also grab some perfume for your cars. Keep your car smelling nice. There's lots and lots to choose from. There's these ones that you hang at the front of your car. And there are other big ones that I think you spray a little bit in the car so it smells nice. They also have car mounts. If you want to record something while you're driving, you'll find it on the same car aisle. These right here are the car mounts. You'll find different ones for your phones and for small cameras. So if you do create content while driving or riding your motorbike, you can find a mount here that works for you. This right is only a small section of what I could record. Make your way to China Square and do more window shopping. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.